Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you the most loved delicious mixed berry jam. No artificial colors added and no preservatives. This homemade mixed berry jam comes in so handy. Look at the consistency and texture of this homemade jam. So much better than a store-bought one. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make this delicious mixed berry jam. To make this jam or spread, I'm using 4 different types of berries. Here I'm chopping some strawberries and they are about 1.5 pounds. The other berries we are going to add just as is. Since strawberries are too big, we are just chopping them. Take the container in which you're going to cook the jam, add the chopped strawberries, a pound of blueberries, half a pound of raspberries and half a pound of blackberries. I have taken about 4 cups of powdered sugar, but you can take less amount of sugar, so it's really up to you. We are going to simply mix everything really well. You can always let this mixture kind of sit for about hour to 2 hours before you start cooking. But I'm just going to start cooking immediately. So make sure your flame is on medium low and gradually the sugar starts to melt. Look at that. Make sure that you wash all the fruits thoroughly before using them. Notice our sugar has melted well. This took about 10 to 15 minutes on a medium low to medium flame. Now just using a potato masher, I'm roughly going to mash these fruits. We want our jam to be little chunky, so I'm not using electric masher, just hand masher. So this looks perfect. It has been cooking for about another 10 to 15 minutes. It has started to thicken a bit. Just give it a really good mix. Look at that, the mixture kind of falls off easily, so it definitely needs some more cooking. I'm going to add half a lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and this is optional but it definitely gives a good taste. Give it a really good mix. Notice that we did not add any artificial color. The color has come out so well. I have let it cook for another 30 minutes or so and notice it has become real nice, chunky and thick. It falls off very slowly, that means our jam is cooked. Let it cool off completely and notice the consistency seems perfect, very thick and ready to use. Simply store this jam in glass containers. Enjoy it on a slice of a bread or even with a chapati roll, anything that you desire. It simply tastes delicious. Once you make this at home, you're going to definitely forget buying jam from stores. The kids will definitely love it. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.